Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Audi A4 S-Line Quattro. Now this vehicle is currently run 33,815 miles and it's finished in the colour Monsoon Grey. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your xenon headlights. These give you great visibility of the road at night and ensure you can see and can be seen as well. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You have your S-Line badge in there on the side along with your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. You do have gorgeous part leather seats with a nice textured cloth in the centre. The right ice fix points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do also have rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably in this vehicle. Now to the rear, you do have your A4 TDI Quattro badging there on the tailgate. Now open up the boot. You do have your spare wheel there, which is very handy if you end up with a puncture. You can quickly change this and continue with your journey until you get your original tyre changed. You have a very nice amount of boot space. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in there. You do have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want anything to move around freely in the boot. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle. Here inside you have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a nice gloss black finish across the dashboard and on the doors as well. You have your front seats here with the S-Line badging embossed in. You have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. With the heating, you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors. It's very handy for seeing clearly to the rear. You can also very easily make adjustments to the mirrors as well. You have full electric windows there, along with the option to lock rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. You have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stalk there, and here on the steering wheel you do have some controls for your volume on the infotainment system. You have a display here in between the dials in the instrument cluster where you can make changes to the radio station and see things like your mileage along with the amount of miles you have left in your tank. You have cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time and allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. It's very straightforward and it's very handy for those longer motorway journeys. You have your infotainment system here, which is controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the center console. You have shortcut buttons, making it very easy to access different menus you need to. You have your radio here. You do have DAB, FM and AM. You can easily find and tune your favorite stations to the vehicle, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you do love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clear. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your Audi music interface along with your Bluetooth. Now moving on, you have your navigation. You can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. You can use the scroller to zoom in and out to change the view of your navigation. It's very straightforward to use. You can see the speed is displayed on there, so you can be aware you go in the right speed limit on whichever road you're on. You do have your traffic updates as well, which will tell you of any traffic, so you can be wary of the roads ahead. You can plan ahead or find an alternative route very easily. You have your Bluetooth phone menu here, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. Now as well here in the car setting, you have your Audi Drive Select. You have efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. These change how the vehicle perform and handle depending on your driving mood, so you can enhance your driving experience with this. With individual, you can set up your own preferences to the vehicle's performance and handling, so it drives more how you want it to. You have some driver assist features here. You have rest recommendation, which will alert you when to take a break if you've been driving for too long. You have your rain sensor as well, which will change the speed of the wipers automatically depending on how heavy the rain is. You have your parking aid here with front and rear parking sensors. This gives you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle and things you may not be able to see. Below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. You can also select the direction of airflow for each side of the vehicle. Prevents any arguments to do with the climate control, allowing everyone to travel comfortably in the vehicle and be happy. You can recircle the air, and you do have buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You also have automatic climate control as well, where the vehicle will decide everything for you. You can also turn it off there with the off button. You have your manual gear selector there. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A4 S-Line Quattro. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.